Samsung Galaxy Tab product from Samsung. This is a 2-in-1 tablet with a slim, elegant design and a keyboard and stylus. Galaxy Tab S6 impresses by its very slim appearance of only 5.7mm, which is different from the usual large tablets. Especially, the large 10.5-inch screen will bring a completely different experience to the user. Galaxy Tab S6 owns Super AMOLED panel and XK resolution, 2560 by 1600, which can be used for entertainment, watching movies, listening to music or working office, studying. Even in strong lighting conditions, you can easily use. Weighing in at just 420 grams, you can put it in your bag and take it with you wherever you go. Up to this point, Galaxy Tab S6 is the first tablet to be equipped with Samsung dual camera system. With a 13MP main sensor and a 5MP ultra-wide-angle sensor, the product will enhance the photography experience for users. You can create beautiful pictures and share them with friends thanks to the 123.0 angle. Besides, the front camera has 8MP resolution, f2.0 aperture will also create beautiful selfies shimmering. Galaxy Tab S6 also supports intelligent AI, optimizing color tones to make your photos look more professional. The appearance of the S Pen has made the Galaxy Tab S6 genuine even more special. Like the Note 9, the S Pen has the ability to support Bluetooth remote control. You can use the S Pen to record ideas, sketch graphics or use it like a computer mouse. The S Pen is capable of remote control within 10 meters. Along with that, Samsung has developed 3 additional features that allow intuitive control by hand gestures, presentations or video control without contact with Galaxy Tab S6. Another convenient point is the S Pen stylus that attaches directly to the indentation on the back of the tablet thanks to magnetism. According to Samsung, the S Pen can be used within 10 hours if fully charged. Galaxy Tab S6 is supported with a mobile book cover keyboard that quickly converts to a laptop. Thanks to that, you can take it anywhere for study and work. In case the user needs to work on a larger screen, the product supports an HDMI cable that allows connection with other monitors. The ability to view multiple windows is also a plus point of the Galaxy Tab S6. Users can simultaneously use up to 4 applications and share screens at will. However, only a few applications that support this feature include Library, Calculator, Messages, Notes, Videos and some third-party applications. Galaxy Tab S6 has a fingerprint sensor to help unlock quickly, improving security. Just touch an encrypted finger on the screen, immediately the device will unlock. According to Samsung's statement, with a battery capacity of up to 7040 mAh, Tab S6 for up to 15 hours of continuous video playback. It also supports fast charging via USB Type-C port or Gordo charging dock. The product works on Android, 6GB RAM and 128GB memory, so it is very smooth. Moreover, the Galaxy Tab S6 also has the ability to sync with the Galaxy phone when registering the same Samsung account. Thanks to that, you will receive notifications about messages, calls, important information. Imagine a more personal PC experience, without a PC. Meet the Galaxy Tab S6, the ultra-slim 2-in-1 that performs like a laptop with the mobility of a tablet. Get more done as you switch seamlessly from app to app, task to task. Go all out with an intuitive S Pen that lets you work, create and edit with ease. When it's time to kick back, you can stream shows and game on a spectacular screen with cinematic sound. And make it all happen with a fast-charging battery that keeps up with you all day.
Thanks for watching. I hope you liked the video. If you found it helpful, please remember to leave a like and subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this in the future. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.